Thank you for joining me on today's yoga adventure. Today, we'll be practicing 2 new yoga techniques. Let's focus on our breathing in and out. Breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Breathing in and out. The first yoga pose is downward facing dog. We are looking down at our feet. Our head is in between our arms. Our feet are stretched towards the ground. The next pose is child's pose. We are curled up in a ball with our feet tucked down and sitting on our feet. Our hands are stretched forth in front of us with our head looking down. The next yoga pose is upward facing dog. You can have your knees down or up off of the ground. But we are facing up. The next yoga pose is seated forward fold. Go ahead and sit with your chest up, your arms by your side for now, and your feet flexed. We want to have your toes pointing towards your eyes. Now we'll begin to stretch forward by reaching towards our toes. Remember to breathe in and out, flexing those toes. Each breath should get a little bit deeper into the stretch. Slowly come out of it. Now we're going to stand up nice and tall. Breathe in and fold over, touching your toes. Breathe in and out, with each breath getting slowly deeper into the stretch. Slowly come back up to standing position without hurting your back and without getting a head rush. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.